Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
In previous class, we have discussed about applications of trigonometry, and we had done some problems based on
Three problems finished.
three problems finished. Now we are going to work on fourth problem.
Yes.
Who will read it out?
Me only. Length of the shadow of a
Okay.
15 meter
Okay.
high pole is 15 root 3 meters.
Length of the shadow
Yes, ma'am.
of the pole. One pole is
Length
there.
of the shadow of a 15 meter high pole is
Okay. A pole is there. That height is 15 meters. Let the pole be AB usually we just say like that. Yeah, and shadow is there.
yes. Length of the
Shadow.
shadow 15 root 3.
15 root 3. Shadow on the ground it occurs.
Yes.
So this is going to be 15 root 3. Let AB is the pole.
Yes.
Pole AB length. How much they have given? 15 meters.
15 meters. Here we need to find the angle of elevation, ma'am.
Okay, they did not give angle. We have to find
Angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time.
Okay. Here we need to find angle of elevation. They did not give angle. They have given only length of the pole
And shadow.
and the distance between the
Shadow.
shadow on the ground. The shadow always be on ground. So this let it be shadow. A, B, and this is going to be C. Let AC is shadow. Shadow of the pole. This is going to be 15 root 3. Now what to find?
Angle of elevation
For that
from
we need to
sun
join
rays.
BC.
Yes.
Join B and C. Here we need to find this one. How much we don't know.
Yes.
C value we have to know. And no need to write theta, all those things also. Simply C, you can find it. C be the angle of
Elevation.
Now with respect to C, this is going to be opposite to C. This is adjacent to C. Opposite and adjacent. The relation, the ratio between opposite and adjacent. What it is of?
Tan.
Tan. Very good. Tan C is equal to opposite by adjacent to C. Opposite.
AB.
15. AB.
Okay.
AB by AC. Opposite 15 meters.
15 by
Adjacent
15 root 3.
15 root 3. Here 15 gets cancelled.
1 by
root 3 tan C. Where tan C is 1 by root 3. Tan of which value is 1 by root 3? Tan 0?
60.
No, tan 0, 0. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 30.
Tan 30, 1 by root 3.
Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Shall I write here?
Yes.
Tan C equal to tan 30 degrees.
C is equal to 30 degrees.
What they have asked? Find the angle of elevation. This is going to be 30 degrees.
Yes.
This is our answer. Okay. Now, fifth one.
You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes.
Okay.
Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope?
Okay, one pole is there. If you put vertically on the ground one pole, does it remain?
No.
Can you keep without any support?
No.
It needs support. For that, he made 3 ropes. He used 3 ropes to make it stand like that. 3 ropes are there. He just tied with the ground, 1 rope. The other one also with the ground, 1 rope. 3, like that he just tied. Then it could be yeah. Okay. He tied with the ground. Then the pole could stand.
Yes.
Okay, it remained in this position without falling down anyway. Then what was given first? First one is the pole was tied with the 3 ropes. The next one,
Height. The
Height of the
erect
pole
a
was
pole of height 10
10
meters
meters. Okay.
with the support of 3 ropes. Each
Okay.
rope has to make angle 30 degrees
Okay. Where it is making the angle 30
with
degrees.
the pole.
With the pole means not with the ground. With the pole, where it is making angle.
There.
Here it is making an angle of
30
30 degrees. Okay, 3 ropes are there.
What
Remaining
should be
2,
the
I am
length of
erasing
the rope?
length of the rope. 3 ropes length we need to find. This is first rope. Second rope also same size. Third rope also same. First we just find first 1 rope. Next we just multiply by 3. We will get the length of the rope.
Okay.
Now I am going to draw this diagram here. Let it be pole AB. Meters. Next, what is given? It is making an angle. Rope. It tied with the rope. B and C is
Rope.
yeah. BC is
Length of the
a rope. Okay. The length of the rope we don't know. Rope.
BC.
It tied with the ground. And angle. Angle with the rope.
the rope.
At where B is equal to 30 degrees.
Let B is 30 degrees.
30 degrees. Here it is 30 degrees.
With the pole.
With the pole, not with the ground. So
Yes.
far with the ground it was given. Now with the
Pole.
Concern to B, you need to find hypotenuse.
Okay.
This is
BC rope.
Rope what? BC. We need
BC
to
is
find the
height.
length of the rope.
Yes.
Okay. How to find?
For
The relation
30
between, with respect to B, this is what? Is it opposite?
No.
Adjacent.
Adjacent.
This is hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse relation. Where it occur?
Cos.
Cos. So you have to write here cos 30 degrees is equal to AB by
AB by BC.
AB by
BC.
BC, which is equal to AB 10 given by BC.
Yes.
Tan 30 value.
Cos 30.
Cos 30. Okay, tan 30 if you know, you can't. Sin 30,
Sin 30.
cos 60.
1 by
In the same way, sin 60, cos 30.
root 3 by 2.
Very good. Root 3 by
2.
is equal to 10 by
BC.
BC. Okay, it comes down. That
BC
is less.
equal to
Okay, root 3 BC is equal to 20. BC is equal to
20 by root 3.
20 by
Root 3.
This is 1 rope only.
Okay.
Such ropes, how many he used for tying up?
3.
3 ropes. We need to find the length of 3 ropes equal to 3 into 20 by root 3. Can I write 3 as root 3 into root 3?
Yes.
Into 20 by
Root 3.
root 3 gets cancelled. Then this is going to be root 3 into 20. The value of root 3 is, sometimes they give, sometimes they do not give.
Yes.
But such problems are like that, we can just solve like that. Okay. 1 point
732.
732 into 20 is equal to 0 also I need to be done. Okay. After 3 terms. 34.64 meters is our answer.
Okay.
For 3 rows. What would be the answer?
34.64.
34 meters. It is in meters. Answer also in meters. Any doubt?
No.
Just after reading the problem,
Yes.
with the
That
diagram,
making angle is
it's
difficult.
better to find. Very easy because it is just related to first chapter, just trigonometric ratios only. We are not using and okay, angles also. Angles and ratios both are. Other than we are not using any identities. All this also did not appear in this chapter. Okay. Next one.
Suppose you are
What is the number?
sixth.
6th one?
Yes. Sixth.
6th one.
Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object?
Me and the object.
Yes.
Where I stood up?
On the top of the building.
I stood up on the top of the building.
Yes.
Where the building will be? On the ground.
On the ground.
Okay, this is top of the building. I just stand and
Shooting an
shoot.
arrow.
Okay, when I shoot, where it just.
Height is 6 meters.
This is 6 meters given.
Yes.
Let it be AB is the building.
Target to the ground at the angle of depression is 60 degrees.
Angle of depression is given. Means, okay. As I told yesterday,
Yes.
this is angle
Angle of depression.
60 degrees
From height to ground.
to ground.
Yes.
Then, what to find?
What is the distance between you and the object?
You. Okay,
You
when
are
I
on the
was-
top, B man.
I am on the top. Means I stood up at B.
B.
And I just shooted here.
Yes.
Then C. Okay.
This is the object. This is BC you need to find.
We need to find BC.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
AB is building.
Building.
Let AB is
Height of the building.
height of the building.
Yes.
Given AB is equal to
6 meters. AB.
given AB is equal to 6 meters. Next, angle of
Depression.
$60. If it is like this, can we find this is going to be another triangle?
Yes.
We can't make another triangle again.
Yes.
Okay, so what we need to do? Yesterday, previous class, I had told you when I was teaching about angle of depression and angle of elevation. These both are parallel lines.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
this B goes like that and C. If it is parallel line, these both are alternating
Alternating.
angles.
Alternate.
So angle B equal to.
Angle C.
So if it is 60 degrees, this is also
60.
okay. At any cost, this is 60. You can write 60 here. Angle of elevation or depression. So should not write like that. You have to just make the when you make the diagram, you have to mention whether it is angle of depression or angle of elevation. It is compulsory. It's mandatory to draw the parallel line also. Okay. Now this is 60 degrees. We need to find BC. After that, it is easy to find. Shall I write?
Yes.
Angle C is equal to
60.
60 degrees. BC is what?
BC is hypotenuse.
Height of the
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. Distance between you and the.
Yes. That's what I am asking. Distance
between
object
and you.
and
Me.
I. Okay.
Yes.
This is distance. We need to find BC. BC is equal to how much? Okay, how much? What is the relation between AB and BC? This is not there now.
Yes.
Now you can just, should not erase when you write, but I am erasing now. 60, I make like that. Okay, should not just look at it. Just this figure enough to you. This diagram. Okay. Now, concern to this one. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite to theta. Opposite and hypotenuse. What is the relation? Where it occurs?
Opposite sine.
Sine. Sine 60 is equal to by hypotenuse. AB by BC. AB is 6.
6 by
BC we don't know. We need to find BC itself.
sine 6.
Sine 60 value?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by BC. BC goes this side. Okay?
Yes.
It comes this side.
BC.
Root 3
BC.
BC is equal to 12. Now BC is equal to
12 root 3.
12 by root
12
3.
by root
Into root 3
by root
by root 3. 12 root 3
by 3.
by
3.
3. What is the answer?
4 root 3.
4 root 3.
That's
This is our answer. 4 root 3 is our answer. Hypotenuse.
okay.
The
No
distance.
need to write that
Sometimes,
root 3 value.
okay, sometimes root 3 1.732 you can write. Sometimes they mention, then you have to write.
Yes.
Some problems they do not mention, then you can just leave like that.
Okay.
6th over.
Next.
7th one.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. 7th one.
An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters.
Okay.
He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees
Okay.
with the ground? What will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole?
Okay. Problem. Understood. Usually you see electric poles also when just repairs occur, they come and they do all these things. They don't go till the end of the pole.
Yes.
In between itself they stop and they work.
Yes.
In the same way, one pole is there that is 9 meters actually. But he just stood up here itself. And 1.8 meters pole it was left.
Okay.
If it is A, this is B. Like. Then what happened? If this is C, I am thinking, B I write here. Here itself he stood up. Means, what is the height between A and B?
9 meters.
9 meters AC.
Okay.
Total height AC.
Okay.
From that, 1.8 was
Take away.
taken out. Shall I write here? 9, 1.80.
Take off. Okay.
What happens?
Okay. Yeah, 7.2.
AB is
7.2
7.2 meters. So far you got it?
Yes.
Then now the ladder is just here he kept and like that it was put. With the ground the ladder is making an angle of, what is the angle? D I am writing here. What's the angle?
60 degrees.
60 degrees angle here. Now what to find?
Height.
Height of the?
Distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole.
This also we need to find.
Foot of the ladder.
This and this one. Ladder height and this one also. Both we need to find. Okay. One by one we can see.
Distance
Okay.
between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Right.
Foot of the ladder.
Yes. And foot of the pole.
Okay. Foot of the ladder is this one. And foot of the pole,
That one.
we need to find AD.
Yes.
Okay. Next, I am writing what was given. From the data, I am writing.
Yes.
Let AC is the electric pole. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
4 is equal to how much? 9 meters. And AB is the
What should be the length of the ladder also there, ma'am?
okay. Length of the ladder also we need to find.
Yes.
No worries, we can find everything. AB is the work point.
Yes.
Okay. That is going to be 9 minus
1.8.
which is equal to
7.2 meters.
2 meters. Up to understand?
Yes.
Next, what is there given? 60 degrees.
Yes.
Angle D. Shall I write?
Yes.
The ladder
Making
makes an angle 60
60
degrees
degrees.
at D.
At a D. Okay.
60 degrees. Okay. This is data what was given from the problem. Now what we are going to find? We need to find
Length of the ladder
length of the ladder and,
and
the distance,
distance
between the
between
pole
pole.
and the ladder also.
Yes.
We need to find the AD and
And BD.
BD also. How to find? What is the relation between this is going to be hypotenuse
Right.
with respect to 60? This is what?
Opposite.
Opposite. This is
Adjacent.
adjacent. It is easy to find both at once. First, I want to find that ladder length, BD. Okay, the ladder length.
Length of the ladder.
The
Length of the ladder equal to
ladder is equal to BD.
yes.
BD is what?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. And AB is opposite.
Opposite.
Opposite and hypotenuse.
Sine.
Sine angle. Sine of angle. Sine 60 is equal to opposite. Means AB here. Shall I write directly?
Yes. Yes.
AB by hypotenuse BC.
BD.
AB we know 7.2 meters. Okay. 7.2 by BD. Sin 60 value
Root 3 by 2.
is equal to
7.2 by
BD.
yes.
Now BD is equal to 7.2
Into 2
into 2.
by root
Direct we can write by
3. Root
100 and
14.4.
into root 3 by root 3 also you can write. It is easy to write. Shall I write?
Okay.
So, okay.
14.4
14.4 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3.
3 times. Okay.
Yeah, I am going to erase
Yes. You can.
this one here. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
What was given, it was written. I did not solve any problem in particular area. Now, BD equal to 14.4 by
3.
root 3. Okay, into root 3 by root 3. 14.4 by 3 into
Root 3.
can be
Yes. 3/4. 0.8.
4.8.
Root 3.
This is the answer.
Okay. That
Okay,
is
now
the
come to
length of the ladder.
length of the ladder. Ladder. over. Now,
Now,
AD.
adjacent.
We need to find
Adjacent.
AD. AD, adjacent and opposite.
Okay.
What to write? Tan 60. Opposite by adjacent.
This one also we can use.
7.2 by
Can we use cos also?
AD. Cos also hypotenuse, as you know, you can write.
Hypotenuse before.
Hypotenuse. We came to know.
Yes.
But tan I am using. What is tan value?
Tan 60 root 3.
Root 3 is equal to
7.2 by
AD.
8.
AD is equal to
7.2 by root 3
root 3.
into
Again into root 3
by root 3.
by root 3.
7.2
7.2 by 3 into
root 3. 2.4
this is going to be 2.4.
root 3.
If
That's
if your answer is in points, some
yes.
values are there, then you have to write in such a manner. AD is equal to 2.4 into 1.732. Then just multiply and let me know the answer.
4.1568.
1568. Okay, this is your answer.
Okay.
Right. This is 7th problem. So for what we have discussed. 4th problem.
Angle
5th
of
problem.
elevation and angle of depression also.
Okay.
Based on those we
Based on that,
have done
we have that.
problems.
And we have some more problems.
Yes.
Yeah, for next session we are going to discuss about remaining problems.
Yes.
The values are given. Okay, if root 3 value root 2, sometimes they give. If not, we can just leave like this also.
Okay.
Okay, have a great day.
Thank you.